In chemistry, activation energy is a term introduced in 1889 by the Swedish scientist Svante Arrhenius in order to describe the minimum amount of energy which must be available to a chemical system with potential reactants to result in a chemical reaction. In other words, it is the minimum amount of energy that is required to activate atoms or molecules to a condition in which they can undergo chemical transformations or physical transport. In transition state theory, the activation energy is the difference in energy content between the atoms or molecules in an activated or transition state configuration and the corresponding atoms and molecules in their initial configuration. The dependence of temperature on a reaction can be represented by the Arrhenius equation.